Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today, we'll look at the transformer and its parameters. The single line drawing shown here is one we've worked on before, and everything is marked green. Let's focus on the transformer. When you click it, you'll see all its parameters listed on the right. Here, you'll find general details such as the description name, vector group, and voltage regulator. The voltage regulator is important, and I'll show you how to use it in calculations. You'll also see information on power, impedance, losses, no-load losses, and voltage drop. You'll also see the primary and secondary windings, as well as the transformer curves. The voltage regulator is a key feature for single-line drawing calculations. For example, if you change a cable from 20 meters to 240 meters, how does that affect the system? When you run the calculation, you may get some feedback. For instance, the voltage drop on a highlighted object might be too high. If you click it, you'll go directly to that object. In this case, the voltage drop is 5.17. Most countries allow a voltage drop of up to 5%. In some places, the limit is 3%. So, how can we fix this? One option is to increase the cable size by one step, which helps. There are also other methods you can try. You can also adjust the transformer's voltage regulator. It's currently set at 0%. If you increase it to 5% and run the calculation, the transformer will supply a slightly higher voltage, which reduces the voltage drop. After recalculating, the voltage drop in the final circuit is now 4.93%. The voltage regulator is a simple way to manage voltage drop. That's what I wanted to show you today about the transformer and how it can help with your design. Join us in future videos, where we'll look at other components in more detail. We'll keep exploring ways to help with your calculations and single-line diagrams. I hope this was helpful. Thank you, and see you soon.